Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we're bringing you a detailed review of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, a perfect blend of luxury, style, and performance. Mazda, known worldwide for its sporty designs and smooth driving dynamics, has surprised everyone by stepping into the motorhome segment. So let's begin the complete review of this futuristic new Mazda Motorhome. Let's start with the exterior design. Mazda has beautifully merged its signature Kodo design philosophy with the motorhome body. From the front, you're greeted with aggressive LED matrix headlights, a slim chrome grille, and sporty bumper detailing. This motorhome isn't just functional, it's stylish too. The body is aerodynamic, featuring flush windows, automatic sliding doors, and an integrated spoiler-style roof at the rear. The premium alloy wheels further enhance its road presence. Moving inside, Mazda has tried to create a modern smart home on wheels. As soon as you step in, you're welcomed by a spacious living lounge with leather reclining seats, a foldable dining table, and ambient lighting. The kitchen area features a high-end modular setup, including a microwave, electric stove, smart refrigerator, and ample storage. In the sleeping area, you'll find memory foam bedding, dual climate zones, and even a panoramic sunroof. The bathroom is compact yet luxurious, with smart fittings and an eco water system. All major controls, lighting, entertainment, and temperature can be accessed via voice commands or a touch panel. The overall interior is finished with wood accents and brushed aluminum touches, giving it a truly premium feel. Now coming to performance, Mazda hasn't compromised here either. The motorhome features a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.5L petrol engine with an integrated electric motor. The combined output is approximately 300 horsepower, which is more than sufficient for long trips and uphill driving. The transmission is smooth, and the suspension is specially designed for long-distance comfort. Thanks to the hybrid setup, it offers impressive fuel efficiency of around 15 to 18 km/L, which is excellent for this category. In terms of safety, it includes advanced features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and auto emergency braking. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome starts at approximately 1.1 crore Pakistani rupees, or around 110,000 US dollars, depending on customizations. It's clearly positioned as a premium-class motorhome, designed for those who seek both comfort and performance without compromise. So friends, that was our full review of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next review, only on Trending Cars.